Alright, so we're trying to head to XRP, and well, we hold up on the side. Well, God forbid, we don't hold up. The car's still going into limbo, so I have to pull over and see what's happening. I can't see anything that's happening. I thought the issue was fixed. I was definitely wrong. So right now, I'm starting to think I might have a fuel pressure regulator issue. Right, could be wrong. That's what I'm thinking. That's the only thing I know that's actually like cheap on the car. So yeah, there's that. I was driving, I went to boost, I saw it move from 0.8 lambda when it should go to 0.7, it went from 0.8 to 0.9, and then back to 0.8. So I'm assuming I may have a fuel issue. Because the car definitely is going to limbo because of the lead issue. The vacuum lines going to the regulator, still good. I cannot see any holes or any damage or anything like that on it. So I know it gets in the vacuum, but I just don't know what is causing the issue right now. So I'm gonna just turn around and head back home and maybe check it out at home and see what happening. Somebody having a party over here. Me and my wife pull over. It's a nice straight road to test though, but yeah, I don't know what's happening. So I can't play hero and then I don't know. So that's it. Pressure regulator is showing very, very low. Check. Alright, look again to show both gauges. So when I go into boost, for some reason the fuel pressure dropped from, I think it's like a 45 or 50, and it dropped to 40 while I'm going into boost. So I'm probably gonna try to start it with a fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, I should drop it. Oh, there's a kid. Alright, nope. I'm sorry. So usually this is higher, and I know the pump works. So I think something's going on with the diaphragm most likely, so it's not holding the pressure. So slowly going. Right. Alright, so see I have my nice little cooler bag with my little drinks, plural, and my ice. You check. I was ready for this thing, dog. Check. I had my tools in the back. I had my jack in the RDX, bro. And then here we are. But anyways, God is good. It could have been worse. I want to see. Shout out to well, I can't see it, but down below here. Shout out to the Ignitron ECU, because had it not been for the safeties, this would have been in pieces. Probably not pieces, but this would have had a rod on the side of the block, probably on that side. So although we're having trouble, I'm still grateful because this could have been bad. So I think you might have seen it in the clip when the fuel pressure dropping with the boost. It's no bueno, my friend. So this is a cheap one we have right here. I think this one was like $70. I'm not gonna see the brand, but I bought it on Amazon. So I'm gonna have my wife order an Aeromotive, and we'll try to see if we can get this in by maybe Tuesday, because I think the part's gonna be here on Monday if we order it right now. So yeah, my issue is, right, I registered for input face-off, and that is not tomorrow but next Sunday. Today's Saturday, and the car has been given trouble for going on what, 3 weeks now probably. So yeah, well, 2-3 weeks, I don't know. So because of that, I'm kind of on edge, but I don't know, I need the car to move, well, to do proper, because that shit is annoying. And I don't want to go there and the car doing the same issue, because that would make no sense. So hopefully to get it sorted this week, so we can have a nice hard testing between Wednesday and Thursday, and then try one again Saturday. Hopefully that works out, because if that don't working out, then I'm gonna be pissed as shit. So yeah, this was supposed to be a video of me at the drag strip making a nice PB. I feel like ever since we run the 13-1, we're so close to the 12, like right there. You can reach out and touch it, but every time you reach the touch, some shit pulling us back, so it's like blighting us. But nevertheless, the car's still in one piece. It could have been worse. So until next time, the next video hopefully will be a better video. In the meantime, I will work on my editing. Right, now that we're here, we are at 105 or 6 subscribers, so which is good. I would have had confetti and all that shit. I was supposed to be happy and making an excited video, but instead we're doing this rambling about this car. So thank you for those who've been supporting for the longest while. Welcome to the new supporters, and until next video, enjoy. Oh, and if you stay to the end of the video, I saw a guy do this in the video once. Comment what you think the car will do when we actually get it running. So if you think the car will do at 12.9, leave it in the comments. If you think the car will do at 13.1 again, leave it in the comments. If you think the car will do at 12.8, leave it in the comments. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Leave a like, leave a constructive criticism as well. Everything will be appreciated as we try to figure out stuff. So thank you.